Hello everyone, this is a quick navigation of the NowGraph, especially the capability of investigating a big dataset starting from the very small, like individual tables. In this case, the dataset I'm using is the data model of ServiceNow, including the inheritance relationship between tables. And you can see that this dataset is made by almost 6,000 nodes and 28,000 links or edges, but I have selected only two nodes out of this very big dataset, which are the incident table and the task table. And you can see that the incident table has a self-looping relationship, and similarly the task table. And these are references, especially the parent field. On the other side, there is a table extension relationship that we all know. So incident is extending task. But what we can do, we can select this object, the incident, and we have a number of capabilities. Well, we can cross-launch and open the table form in ServiceNow and see what these references are in more detail. But even more importantly, we can expand the scope of this subgraph. And we can expand by including all the outgoing and incoming relationship to incident. If we do that, we can see that the physics jumps in and it allows to reposition the item in a way that is meaningful and allows to explore the graph even further. We can see that there are a number of elements that have been included, like the user table, the problem, change request case. Let's say I want to expand it further and I want to see what change requests can bring in terms of scope. If I expand that, the complexity of my graph start to grow pretty quickly. And you can see that we have all these new elements which have been included by change requests. But maybe I'm becoming curious about the case management table, because I know that this table is part of another application, which is customer service. Actually, the scope is SN_customer service, and I can expand it further. And the physics, again, helps me position items in a way which is meaningful. But if I want to arrange something manually, because maybe I want to print that, I can stop the physics and maybe I can start dragging items in a more manual way and try maybe to decouple some of the relationship which are there and make it more graphically perfect. But when I don't need that anymore, I can bring the physics back in and the graph will be rearranged based on these rules. Because I started analyzing different scopes, like in this case I have customer service, I can also use some capabilities about coloring scopes or other fields. And if I do that, you can see that my diagram starts to acquire different colors based on the scopes that I have included. The majority of the tables will be in the global scope in this case, because I started from incident, but a number of other scopes related to customer service are now inside the perimeter of the subgraph. Thank you.